part of it. You are an exceptional person with so many talents, strengths, and qualities that I admire. I wish that you will finish your studies and achieve your dreams in life. Thank you for being the big sis I wish for. Even though hindi ka pa rin magpapa, but you should be truly like one. Thank you for the advices you gave me, Jesus. The time you spent with me that I will cherish forever.
No, nailak na.
Let's give our hand to our baby sister. Alright. And that ends our Aiden Candles for this evening. So once again, let's give a warm round of applause to everyone who shared their messages. Alright, so before we proceed to the next part of our